Alfie Chen, the presenter of the product to be unveiled at tonight's launch event. For over 3 decades, Woodpecker has been dedicated to putting its customer first and pushing the boundaries in dental equipment innovation. From the creation of our first ultrasonic scaler in 1989 to the introduction of the 8PB dental scaler and air polisher in 2022, we have been at the forefront of the technological advancements, designing and developing 33 state-of-the-art cleaning devices. But we're not the ones to rest on our laurels. As we enter our 34th year, Woodpecker continues to challenge the status quo and strive for excellence. Today, we're thrilled to announce our latest innovation, Woodpecker PT-B dental scaler and air polisher. This game-changing device is a powerful yet comfortable solution to tooth scaling, providing a more effective and efficient treatment for patients. With its striking golden color and sleek design, PT-B brings a touch of futurism to any dental clinic and is sure to be a stunning addition to your equipment. And it's not just about looks. Equipped with a 5.5 inches LCD screen, the device provides a natural color transitions and intuitive fingertip control for a smooth and comfortable display experience. What's more, the 28-degree vertical tilt screen is ergonomically designed to align with the modern visual habits. The user-friendly interface displays important information such as power levels, water volume, temperature control limits, and so on, allowing you to monitor your treatment with ease. Under the hood, PT-B is packed with impressive hardware. Let's take a closer look. To begin with, the PT-B air polishing features a handpiece that is designed with 3-section detachable structure for easy unclogging and cleaning. Plus, its robust all-metal body delivers added durabilities and comfort. Additionally, the caliber of the super gingival nozzle is only 0.7 millimeter, making air polishing more focused and efficient. But that's not all. The PT-B high concentricity of air-water path design wraps the powder with water, minimizing the powder scattering and provide a maximum protection for oral soft tissue and tooth surfaces. Furthermore, PT-B's subgingival nozzle, made of medical-grade polymer material, can rotate 360 degrees and be bended, making it highly flexible during operation. The unique 3-hole air polishing and 1-hole water output ensures the appropriate mix of water, air, and powder, providing a thorough cleaning of the periodontal pockets, which helps to reduce the bacterial load and effectively control the inflammation. It's worth mentioning that the design of the powder tank has undergone major innovations and improvements. The new powder tank features a concentric air intake and exhaust system, which enhance the airflow consistency and ensures uniform air polishing. Additionally, the powder tank is designed with a central symmetrical funnel that is aerodynamically friendly, providing a stability during air polishing. Also, the powder tank is designed for ease of use. It's plug-and-play available and 360-degree rotatable. The transparent and graduated body of the powder tank allows for real-time observation of the powder flow and its remaining amount. With these upgrades, we believe PT-B will amaze you and provide you a truly remarkable air polishing experience. Now, let's examine the real-life performance of the PT-B. In addition to exceptional air polishing performance, the PT-B has also seen significant improvements in other areas too. At Woodpecker, our goal has always been to balance comfort and efficiency, which is reflected in the warm water scaling feature of PT-B. The PT-B uses a one-of-a-kind temperature control system. Compared to the 50 watts heating power of PTA, PT-B boasts a 300 watts heating power, which can rapidly increase the temperature and preheat automatically for a more comfortable experience. At the start of our R&D journey, we kept it in mind the challenges faced by the medical staff due to the clutter of wires and multiple equipment in clinics. Today, we're proud to introduce our highly anticipated wireless multifunctional foot pedal. With Bluetooth 5 technology, it offers super fast response and eliminates the hassles of the tangled wires. The device can work for up to 72 hours when fully charged, freeing up your hands and making it highly accessible. Our PT-B is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also fully functional and built to last. Cleaning and maintenance are just as important as performance, which is why we incorporated a 30-second automatic cleaning function. It helps to prevent the pipelines from clogging as well as being corroded. Having discussed our air polishing feature, now let's dive into the PT-B's ultrasonic capabilities. PT-B has three main functions, G, P, and E, covering the field of periodontal treatment, endodontic treatment, cavity preparation, and implant maintenance, providing a comprehensive and one-stop ultrasonic service. In addition, PT-B offers a dual water supply mode, allowing you either to use an external water supply system or a water bottle. We have included two standard water bottle sizes, 1400 milliliter and 600 milliliter, to accommodate special solutions. The bottles are marked with clear scale lines, making it easy to monitor and prepare your solutions in the desired ratio. To ensure PT-B perform at its best, it requires effective accessory to assist it. Now let's look at its partners. Here are our dental prophylaxis powder with different particle size and applications to meet your specific needs